Hi, my name's Helen Boyadzakis and I am content specialist for Thermomix in Australia and New Zealand. Myself and my beautiful colleague Jess will be taking you through a series of videos to help familiarise yourself with the Cookidoo platform. It's going to be a basic introduction. We're going to take you through searching, not only basic searching, but advanced searching, collections and bookmarks, meal planning, creating a shopping list, creating recipes, and scaling recipes up and down. So this very first video is a very basic introduction on how to actually log on to Cookidoo and what you're going to see when you first log on. So I'm just going to share my screen. You will log on via cookidoo.com.au and that will take you to this screen. Now, when you very first sign up, you will want to go to this sign up button and it will ask you to create an account. And if you haven't got a Thermomix yet, or even if you do have a Thermomix but haven't maybe got your Cookidoo subscription because you have one of the older models, you can create a free account where you'll get a month's free subscription to the platform to have a little bit of a play. Now, your consultant, when you purchase your Thermomix, will help you to set up your Cookidoo account. And I've already created an account, so I'm going to go to log in. Now, you can have a look at this platform either on your desktop or on an app on your phone, or you can access the Cookidoo platform on the screen of your TM6. So we're going to sign in, and the very first thing that you're going to see is this page. Now, the three main areas is the Explore page, My Recipes, and My Week. And you'll see over here to the right is where your profile and your account information are. Now, when you very first log on in one of the other videos, I will go through how you can personalize your profile and select your preferences. But this is basically where you're going to edit your profile, put a picture on, put the name that you want to be known as on this platform, and then you're ready to go into the Explore tab. Now, under the Explore tab, once you've created your name and your profile, it will always recognize you via that name, not only here on the desktop, but also on the screen of your Thermomix. What we're going to look at first is Featured. That's the first tab that will come up, and it has a wealth of information on this page. So please take some time to go down and have a look at the latest recipes, the best recommendations for you. It's got some information if we have things like new accessories like our Thermomix cutter, or new features like our scaled recipes. And it's even got a section for the most cooked. It takes you through some different articles that might be of interest to you, including some information on different modes on your Thermomix, and so much more, including all the collections. You're going to hear the word collections a little bit on this platform. What it's referring to when it's talking about collections is not only collections that have been created by Thermomix in Australia or any other country for that matter that has Thermomix, but you can also create your own collections, which we'll show you how to do in the next video. There is a little video on exploring Cookidoo as well, and that lives on this platform. So there's quite a bit to see in the first little tab under Explore. If you have a look at For You, the more you use the Cookidoo platform, the more it learns what you like, what kind of cooking you enjoy, and it will start to personalize your experience on the platform. So it's got some suggestions here for fresh from the oven. It's got some hand-picked desserts, some everyday recipes, a couple of recipes that are trending now in case you'd like to see what other people are cooking. It's got vegetarian recipes, and the list goes on. So that's under the For You subheading. And then you've got your themes subheading. And this is where you'll find quite a few articles, again, that has so much information for you. Things like themed French cooking, or simplicity, or chocolate, which is one of my favorite things to learn about. So that is basically your very first look at what you will see when you log onto your Cookidoo platform. Now, in our next video, I'm going to take you through searching and how do you search for a recipe, not only basic recipes, but how do you then use the filters to condense that search and make it work for you.